Wouldn't you like to be a pepper too? Oh, wouldn't you like to sing on a pepper? Would you like to buy on a pepper? Would you like to fry on a pepper? Would you like to whiz on a pepper? Wait, what the heck? I mean, like, who writes this stuff? Like, what the? Ooh, that was dirty. Who writes this stuff, Melvin?
According to Mass, you do.
What the?
Just right there.
What the? I don't like this. This is stupid.
Oh.
Go away, Melvin.
Oh. A lightsaber.
Okay, Melvin, go away.
Oh.
This film was an Isaac Film production.